May kaya po yung dad ko. My mom came from poor. She was, her family was not well off. So parang classic,
Rich poor?
parang soap opera. Di ba? So, but my father also had, may bisyo, ganun. So, yeah, my mom was somehow battered and she had to move away. So she had to bring the whole family, the kids with her. So yun, hanggang sa we had to start all over again. She moved to my grandmother. Nag-public school kami. So yun, doon ko naranasan ulit yung hardship that there was one time that we had to stay in one room. And then, syempre maliit yung banyo. So doon kami sa garden magtututbrush. Ganon ka, tindi. And, yeah, yun.
Yeah.
But,
That must have been traumatic, na growing up seeing your mother treated that way. How did that hit you? Did it affect you?
siguro, yung isang naging tumatak sa utak ko at the time was, ayun, pag yung guy hit me once, I have to go. So, yun, since then, pagka may guy na, kahit konting if he would show a little bit of violence towards me, that's my side to go. When you grow up in a household like that, it's either you become like that or you go exactly the opposite and you say, it's it's something that you would never would want to experience in your life. So I went the other way,
That's
diba?
true. Buti na
And
lang.
they taught me what not to get myself into in terms of yung ganun, being in a violent relationship.
Yeah.